most people get real comfortable with a broker. They get comfortable with their accountant, they get comfortable with their attorney, their doctor, their bank. They don't like change. So
Bill King is a health insurance agent for the Carlsbad Chamber of Commerce, and he's actively educating the community.
Just comfortable.
Here are some of the eye-opening facts he regularly shares. Out of 6,000 agents in San Diego, only 20 are effective in group health insurance. He shares how healthcare reform has created new compliance risks for businesses. And 9 out of 10 Southern California businesses typically pay 15 to 30% too much for health insurance. And if you're one of those businesses, here's what you can look forward to.
Exposure is going to be huge. The penalties are huge. Making the right decision on what to do, whether you go into one of the new plans or not, whether you drop your coverage. There's just a huge exposure to not having the right guidance. Most of the clients or most of the prospects are out of compliance in some way. So they're not aware, they don't know what the penalty is, they don't know what they're doing wrong, they're just trying to run their business, and this is one of the areas that they're actually, they trust somebody that maybe isn't doing the best job for them.
We asked him, how do you make sure your broker is qualified?
With some brokers, I would say, with those top 20 brokers that we talked about, I would say that there's that they've built different relationships. They can do things differently. They get special underwriting consideration. They may have special plans. We have special plans that we've developed over the years that maybe 5 or 6 of the brokers in San Diego County have. Some of our clients have taken advantage of that and saved them. We've got one that's saved 30% a year, which over maybe 3 or 4 years is at least $1 million. Without a good reference, I think what you need to do is you need to put your broker on the spot. Ask them, how many other clients do they have? If you have 20 employees, ask the broker, how many other clients do you have that have 20 employees? And what are you doing for them? Are you providing HR assistance? Are they providing a way to make sure that you're staying compliant?
Bill says the best thing you can do is get a confidential review.
I think it's advisable that you meet with several brokers. Obviously, we would like to talk to you. We'd like to be able to sit down with you for half an hour to an hour and help figure out whether or not you're headed in the right direction, whether you're doing the right thing, whether you're in compliance. We can spend a very short period of time with you, and if you're straight with us and answer questions that can help guide us with the advice, we can give you a real good idea of where you're at.